odyssey of your life was meant to bring you here.
Time to end our twisted fate. Above all, the sharpened spear is a cruel truth.
Now who's up for an experiment? No matter how tiresome, first steps first. I know all I need to. Now that you've met me, do you feel starstruck? You mediocrity. How can you possibly comprehend? Oh, did I take it too far?
It's funny, really. The vanity of your struggling.
So, there's still filth to purge. I will erase them all for a world without fault.
Doesn't your heart belong to me?
This spear will be the spear of protection! I will no longer hide.
Stop bugging me. Lowly creature.
Those who fear should give up. If I can end it all with this.
How rude. I'll smash that arrogant face of yours into the ground.
I don't care for amateurs.
I sense new magic nearby. It doesn't hurt anymore, does it? Do I look like a pushover to you? You're not too strong, so this should be enough.
All I have is the path in front of me.
What a pathetic joke.
I study so that I can help others. Together. Here I go. Show your elders some respect. Annoying burden must be crushed.
Which of my powers would you like to see?
Let me show you the results of my research.
The promises of this spear will not be forgotten.
Stop bugging me. I was going to let you off easy.
All I have is the path in front of me. It's time for your extinction.
Do I look like a pushover to you? I'll smash that arrogant face of yours into the ground. I study so that I can help others. With the fruits of my studies, I will protect everyone.
So, there's still filth to purge. You, who deviated from the natural order, offer yourself to the equilibrium.
I make this moment unforgettable.
Those who fear, I'll use.
Analysis complete. How rude. You're not too strong, so this should be enough. I will no longer let me feel you.
Which of my powers would you like to see?
Show your elders some respect.
There's still filth.
This
to
is the
purge.
pain you chose.
Do I look like a
You
pushover
really
to
are
you?
persistent, aren't you?
I sense new magic nearby.
Stop bugging me. Kill them all!
The futility.
Annoying vermin must be crushed. With a steadfast resolve, we can secure our victory!
All I have is the path in front of me.
I study so that I can help others.
Do I look like a pushover to you? I'll smash that arrogant face of yours into the ground!
Which of my powers would you like to see?
I will no longer hide. Don't back down. I'll grant you the power to fight.
Those who fear.
If I can end
should
it all
give up.
with this.
Show your elders some respect! You're not too strong, so this should be enough.
I can finally stand on my own.